How to change your email address on TikTok. To start out, from your TikTok profile, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on the gear icon, which is also in the top right corner. From here, under the Account section, tap on Account. Next, tap on User Information. From here, we'll see a box with our phone number and our email. Let's tap on Email. Here, on this new box that pops up, tap on the button that says Change Email. Now, type in the new email address that you want to change your account to. Then tap on the button that says Send Code. I can actually not get this to work at the moment, probably because I just filmed another video where I changed my phone number. Anyhow, you'll be emailed a code, a 6-digit code, and a new box will pop up where you can just type the code in. From there, just press the button on the screen and your email address will be changed. That's it. Before you go, check this out.